So today we are boxing Voidfall, which is a 4X pure Euro with space theme. Let's see what's inside the box. This is the for companion app. And here, full 4 pages of iconography. Wow, that's a lot. Actually, the game is full of icons, and the rulebook, which is 38 pages long, and it's start here, the components, how to play. Wow, full of text. When I watched the playthrough videos, it's not that complicated. I mean, the decision space is very open, and there is a lot of decisions to be made, but it's not that complicated. When you read the rule book, it's going to be a lot more difficult to understand the game than watching the playthrough videos by yourself on YouTube. Wow, man, it's going to take a lot of time to finish this little book. And here, wow, the glossary. I think no book game has ever had this kind of stuff. This is not a reference, rules reference. This is not rules reference. It's how do I say? It's a demonstration of all the icons, all the cards, the explanation of all the cards, every single card from the game. Wow, that's a lot. I mean, they could have had printed them on the cards, but they made a game full of icons and no text. So all the text are written in this book. I mean, you can see that galactic event cards here, crisis cards. Wow, every card. So whenever you don't understand about a card, you can easily refer to this book. Everything is explained. Wow, every tile, every hexagon tile. This is amazing, and this is going to need a lot of work. And here, the compendium, I think it's about the scenarios. They got solo scenarios. Oh, I think this is about the backstories and stuff like that. Yep. And here, setup and 2-player, 3-player, 4-player. Wow. Again, a lot of work was put into this. Amazing. And here we have, I think this is the crisis board or something. It's needed for both co-op play and solo play. Yep, and the cards will go over here. Oh no, this is not a crisis board. Sorry, this is, I don't know. You got the tech cards here, and here the galactic event and trade tokens, and the round structure. So this is the main board, and here the faction. Well, actually they're not boards, they are cards. Wow, I thought they were boards, but whatever. We have the backgrounds, and they can. Okay, this is it is more variability because each faction plays in has two methods to play, two directions. They differ in start and tech, the complexity, the play style and stuff. So I think we got 14 factions. I'm not sure. Here, and then here comes the punching stuff. Now this is the crisis mode, right? And I love spaceships, tokens, tiles, everything allowed to be punched. Here, the dice and stuff. Did I have to do it? So it's hard to. Oh, there's a hole. That's quite genius to put it out. Just have to use this. Yep, that's quite genius. Here we got the cards, smaller cards. Here the bigger cards. I think they are the main cards. You have to use it in. They are the focus cards. To take actions, you're picking 1 out of 9 or 10 cards each turn. Here they're collecting events and stuff. Okay. So that's it. And here, the Doom tokens, I don't know, something like that. They're good. They look nice. Here the dice, I think it represents the population. Here, the patterns to assemble the dial, the resource style. And here, they represent the spaceship counts, something like that, the power. Here, the tracker for these civilization track. So that's it. Now I'm going to punch everything. That's Voidfall for me. And I'm going to sleeve all the cards. Where are the smaller ones? Okay. So that's it. Goodbye.